design has meaning. Meaning connects people with the object. If that connection is meaningful, it will stay for years. The design should empower people to establish the connection they need to feel free, capable, and enlightened. Hi everyone, my name is Ahmad from Graphical Academy, and today we are going to discuss about the most important element of graphic design. Line can be straight, curvy, wavy, thick, or maybe thin. When it's come to the line, the possibilities are almost limitless. Line allow the designer to divide the space or separate the content in a layout, like newspaper and report cards. They can also be used to guide the eyes of the viewer or make the other element follow the static path or add the findability to get the viewers easily from point A to point B. This is the perfect example of infographic which represents each information through the line. Now you understand the line is not an ordinary thing. It is really useful in graphic designing. Have no fear of perfection. You will never achieve it. Keep learning and think creative.